Okey Dokeys!
In this video, we'll learn how to add a new ball of yarn to your crochet project. It's a simple process to keep your project going. When you're a few inches away from running out of yarn, stop crocheting. Take your new ball of yarn and overlap it with the tail of the old ball of yarn. Continue crocheting with the new yarn, holding both the new and old yarn together for a few stitches to secure the join. I'm using two different colors in this just so you can see that I'm using two different yarn balls, but this works just as well with the same colors. And that's how you add a new ball of yarn. Make sure to weave in the ends securely for a neat finish and continue with your new ball of yarn. Enjoy!